What's up guys, Adrian here. Welcome to Motorista Adventures. Today we will review the Isuzu MU-X RZ4E base model, and let's find out whether it is a good enough replacement for the crosswind sportivo. So let's start with the exterior. Now the design is very modern, and to make it more affordable to consumers, Isuzu had to cut some corners by removing the fog lights. Now surprisingly, Isuzu retained the bi-LED headlamps, which is integrated with the headlamp, as well as we have an auto leveling function on the headlights. So moving on to the back, there is a high mount stop lamp and a nice looking LED brake light. Now the side mirrors as well as the door handles are in this material black color and can also be seen at the front bumper design. Now, as for the ground clearance, it is measured at 220 mm, and tire of choice is Dunlops with a tire size of 245 by 70 R16 alloy wheels. Now for the braking, this base model comes with disc brakes at the front and drum brakes at the back. Now other models such as the LSA get 4-wheel disc brakes, which is available in the upper trims. Now underneath this truck-based SUV, we have independent suspension at the front and a 5-link coil spring with stabilizer at the rear. Inside the MU-X, we have a mostly black plastic interior, and material quality is decent, and I kinda like that matte black finish in this iteration of the dashboard. Now, convenience features are as follows. We have power door locks as well as power windows, and a 12-volt outlet, as well as a USB auxiliary combo, which is hidden in the glove compartment on the passenger side. So inside this SUV, we have lots of storage spaces here, there, as well as 2 cup holders and a glove box, as well as a hidden tray to hide your keys. And we have this glove compartment here with USB as well as auxiliary power outlet, and you have also the glove box down here and another bottle holder there, as well as another pocket on the side of the door. Now for the HVAC or the air conditioning, you only have control of the cooling as well as the fan speed. You have a defogger at the back. However, you don't have control over where the air conditioning will flow. You just have these vents up here, nothing else. Okay, but the pleasant thing is that Isuzu didn't skimp on the infotainment system. They have these very nice infotainment system with this truck, even though this one is the base model. Very good. We have these nice textured cloth seats which are very comfy, and I'm on the 3rd row seat of the MU-X, and it's very good. You have ample knee room as well as good thigh support in the back seats. It's really nice. Let's move on to the engine. Now, Isuzu discontinued the 2.5-liter diesel in favor of the new RZ4E TC, which is a 1.9-liter 4-cylinder blue power diesel engine with variable geometry turbo, which means we get more power from this engine with the discontinued 2.5. And Isuzu claimed that it is also quieter as well as more fuel efficient. So what are the ratings for this engine? So we have max power that is already rated at 150 PS at 1800 to 3600 RPM. Torque is at 350 Newton meters at 1800 RPM to 2600 RPM, and it's Euro 4 compliant. Fuel tank capacity is at 65 liters across the model range. So in terms of drivability, clutch is very light, as well as the gear shifter has short throws. Right there, you have 6-speed transmission on this truck, which is a very nice addition to the lineup, because before the older models have a 5-speed manual transmission, so this one is already a 6-speed unit. So to match the new engine, we have 2 transmission options for you. So you can also choose a 6-speed manual, seen here, or a 6-speed automatic with sequential shift function for more relaxed driving in the city, as well as it's an additional cost. Now, all models of the MU-X except the top of the range model is on a 2-wheel drive configuration. Now, as for safety, we get seat belts which are available on all 3 rows, dual airbags, as well as the side impact door beams. Now, I just wish Isuzu had included ABS or anti-lock braking system in this model year to improve safety. However, that's what you need to do in order to keep the cost of the vehicle down. So the Isuzu MU-X is priced at around 1,300,000 pesos MSRP. Now, the color that you're seeing here is splash white. If you like a truck that has macho looking stance as well as that high ground clearance, but you're on a budget, then look no further. This car is the one to get. Coming onto a conclusion, guys, let me just recap. Now, the Isuzu Crosswind before didn't have airbags, and the engine was very noisy and was just terrible, and it was not Euro 4 compliant. Now, the MU-X now has a better engine, better performance, quieter engine in that case, and better overall drivability. So I can say that it is worthy as a successor to the Crosswind Sportivo. If you guys like this video, you can hit the thumbs up and subscribe so that you can view my future videos in this channel. So once again, guys, my name is Adrian. You are watching Motorista Adventures, and I'll see you guys on the next video.